ayan, dito na kami. May mga windmills dyan and meron pa isa sa likod. Good morning guys. Aalis na naman kami ni Ruth and then we're taking Anna to my in-laws. My breakouts are really going crazy. Side effect ng tinitake ko. But weather seems nice, not bad for this winter. So we're already at the centro. No, ang kaning row straight ni siya dito. Mga old buildings, houses na ni siya ron. And yeah, nice kayo. Wala akong pinakaganahan na part na nga area. Wala na tawag. Hey. Sena, high five, Sena. Hey, high five, come on. High five. Hey, high five. High five! Good girl. High five again. High five. Come on. High five!
Alleen die belde nog. Heb je de sleutel van de eier?
We're leaving the White House.
The White House.
The White House.
Luckily Biden is
So, mga hapit may og supermarket. We're gonna drop by the supermarket. Dito kami sa Yambo. Nee, dankjewel. Isa na yung grupo diha. Palit na sa niya og kusan og donut.
How many croissants do you want?
2. And donut. 2. So, gutom na noon ko. Nakakagutom. Thai lady outside, and then I thought she was Filipina, and then when we talked she was speaking straight Dutch, but yeah, she said she's from Thailand, and yeah, she's quite nice. Yeah, but I understood what she was saying a little bit wrong.
Yeah.
She was like, oh, you praat goed Nederlands. That was interesting. But then yeah, I was saying that the staff from Jumbo approached me.
Yeah,
and
only
said,
one of them, yeah.
One staff approached me and said, "Oh, I can't record." But the way he said it, he said, "You can't take a video of the whole store."
Yeah.
I'm not taking a video. I was not taking a video of the whole store. I was
Yeah,
basically
but he was
taking a video of you.
he was just yeah.
Anyway, I understand, but it was the first time that somebody in the Netherlands approached me and told me not to take a video.
Yeah, crap.
Yeah, but when we were at Lidl, nobody said anything.
When you are by Action, the guy after the counter he even liked. So yeah, this that. So I don't know why they
Yeah?
don't. Yeah.
Yeah, I there was one time when we were at Action, but I was not filming like a lot in Action. We were I only filmed like when he was at the counter. But yeah, anyway, Yumbo, is that your rule? But yeah, that was interesting. And I saw Ruth's face, like he turned red. That was interesting to see.
Yeah, it's crazy that they asked that
Yeah,
why
but-
you shouldn't be allowed to film. I don't
I mean,
know
that's
why.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but anyways, we are on our way to
Asian show.
the Asian shop in Den Bosch.
Forget it.
Yeah,
About it.
I was gonna say we're on our way to Heusden.
Heusden, yeah.
Oh, huh?
Heusden.
Heusden. You spell it like H-U-I or H-O-U? Oh, nee. H-E-U-S D-A-N. Heusden. That's it.
Heusden, but that's
Heusden.
okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, tayo. Yeah, that's hard. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the Asian shop, guys. It's really bright, look. Dito na kami sa Asian shop. I won't vlog inside because baka sitahin na naman kami, so di na lang ako magva-vlog, no? But anyway, kukuha lang ako ng cornstarch and noodles. This is the Asian shop in Den Bosch. Amazing area. So anyway, mauna akong gipalit sa Asian shop. Noodles, kimchi, o cornstarch. Mao lang. Yun ang binili ko sa Asian shop. Have you eaten it? Are we gonna eat here?
Yeah, it's in Japanese,
Nee,
Korean,
Chinese.
Chinese. Okay.
Chinese. So, money siya, guys. Ano siya? How much
5
is it?
banana.
1 stuk per stuk.
51.
51. very expensive.
Yeah, it's
almost-
always because it's Asian
Yeah,
store.
it's almost
specialty.
100 pesos for one piece.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, 100 pesos. Pero lami man no, nagsara man.
85 peso.
85 peso. Yeah, but we don't always
Goed.
yeah, we don't always buy this one, so try natin. Nog niet. Daar.
Yeah. Why
Siya
not?
olibolen, oh.
Yeah.
Olibolen. Mura siya shakoy ba?
I get something because.
But
it's
there's banana inside.
Yeah.
With the olibolen, there's nothing inside.
No,
Normally. Ang original ba?
you can order them with Nutella.
Eh? Oh, nog lekker.
Yeah.
But this is not the same banana
From Chinese shop.
that
From Chinese.
we use for this kind of food. Normally in Cebu we call it saba. Saba.
Sabah.
So it's good for frying. But I don't know what kind of banana this is because they fry it, but it's really good. Kabuso siya, dako kayo. But yeah, mo ni ang sulod. Mo ni problema na ko maglakaw mig dugay kay I always need to go to the toilet. But because of the pandemic, so ang mga public toilets no kay closed, so we have to go to the station. So guys, I'm already at the train station. Nangita ako og CR. So at the train station or at the station, no, you have to wear a mask. Even sa station pa lang ka or sa platform, you have to wear a mask already. We are in Bogo City. Bogo City, Cebu. We are almost
Bogus.
Tabogon. Almost in Tabogon now. Ano niya mo? Destination. Kana siya.
You didn't see many windmills yet.
Look neat, yeah.
Yeah.
So, we are finally in Tabogon. Tabogon, I know, is my hometown in Cebu. Kitang tamon sa kanais ang. So, ayan. Dito na kami. May mga windmills dyan and meron pa isa sa likod. Oh my. So, feel ko na talaga na nasa Netherlands. Buang.
Yeah?
I said, I already feel like I'm in the Netherlands.
Yeah, that's true with the windmill. And with the head against the goal.
This is from Ruth's Papa.
Yeah.
Twinning me ni Ana. Ana has something like this, but purple lang niya. So, nag-picture na may Ruth para sa thumbnail, no? Akong ginasuot nga. Tugnaw kay tanan. I'm not wearing my gloves, so
Not cold.
it's really, really cold. Don't let the sun fool you. It's really bright. It looks like it's summer, but it's really, really cold. I'll take a picture of you first. Further back, further, Papa. It's in an open area, you know, people can still maintain social distancing. You remember when we went to Vienna?
Yeah.
You were taking a lot of videos of the ground.
Yeah. That was also interesting.
So when you come to the Netherlands, I'll be your tour guide. Ereng.
The Miss Vlogger has it cold. He's acting like it's a North Pole. People are fit. Should you make a picture,
I'm
Bob?
not taking a photo, look. I'll screenshot this.
You can rap, but you can't hide.
So yeah, if normal lang ang time, no, siguro daghan kay tao diri. But even though lockdown, may nagyapiragang naglako-lako. So yeah. So anyway, maglakaw-lakaw lang mi, no, and then mga on sa mi gamay.
Puntzak, point back.
Okay. Normally, I mean, when we go to fruit shops, normally they do it like this, right?
Oh, you have a little basket.
So anyway guys, I'm gonna close this vlog because low bat na ko, mamatay na. I'm on 9% already. So yeah, please like this video if you enjoyed, and please subscribe. Yeah, thank you, Val, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.
Babush.
Babush, mush mush.